Alright, let's get cracking. Because by the time I get done dealing with these guys, I could have figured this out on my own. Such is life, I suppose. And I don't really feel, can we let go? Those mods are nasty sometimes. One of the forbidden hunter tools made by Reverend Izzy. I can't help but ask. There's gotta be something in the, Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. There's gotta be something. Wait, lead elixir. Right, this is like, what, the, late 1800s, give or take? And we don't have anything to work with. So that was a waste of time. Oh, wait. What if it's the armor we're using? Since overall it's fairly lacking. And you can never go wrong with the original hat anyways. Purely for arcane, blood defense, blunt thrust, and so on and so forth. I mean, overall, this seems to be a fairly better one. Charred Hunter's trousers. I mean, there's increased fire, well, a lot of fire resistance, actually. But overall, the black church trousers just have the overall best defense of over everything, really. But I feel like blunt, considering that this Amalia, I feel like we need a whole. No, please, don't do this to me. And it would make the most sense just to go ahead and get this going while we get this sorted out. Let's go ahead and use something with a lot of blunt defense. Like any one of these, really. Huh. There's something new every day, I suppose. Okay, I knew that he said that the incense wards off the beast, but I didn't think he meant it literally. I didn't think that when he said the incense wards off the beast, it quite literally, makes an invisible wall that they just cannot walk through. But you know what, this is Bloodborne we're talking about, so that probably has some weight to it at somewhere. Fire paper. Let's just keep that on hand, and let's not die to this guy this time. Please, have mercy. Thank you. Run. Run, roll. Alright, how do we want to go about this? I mean, we could just try the Molotov. You can never go wrong with Molotovs. When in doubt, kill it with fire. That does quite a bit of damage. Okay, that's fair. Oh, that's a projectile attack. That makes much more sense. Alright, when in doubt, you're the idiot. Gotcha. We learned something new today. Nope. I was doing so good that time. I mean, I didn't even touch like a quarter of her health, but that's not the point. And she's still on her first phase. But hey, now I can feel a little less butthurt about that attack. Now I'm asking politely, is there a Chad willing to carry me through this fight this time? We definitely need to find a way to start farming insight, because I already know that insight becomes very important later on when you have access to like another bird bath tub. Honestly, I thought that was gonna hit me. But we're running short on fire paper, and I don't think you can buy that. I think. I could be very wrong. Like I usually am, but that's not really the point. Okay, let's get this party started. Okay, you know what? That's what you get for not locking on when you're supposed to. Come on. It's just a little hit. Back off. Back off. Sippy break. Respect the sippy. Respect the sippy. Oh, I did not see that. I can't see anything. How are you? Oof. We're gonna have to do it the harder way now. But I also wasn't using serrated. I could probably switch over to the saw blade. But my whip also has some serrated damage. But the thing about the whip is it has wide reach, but you also can't reach but you also don't do a whole lot of damage in the first place because it was intended for like a horde of enemies. You do have that extra serrated damage though, so that's nice. But But when things definitely started getting hairy, I should have switched over to the Molotovs. So that was a blunder on my part. And our lack of blood vials are starting to catch up with us. Come on. Okay, third time's the charm. Oh? Okay. Amelia, whatever. Don't fear the doggy. Just accept it. Whoa! That's fair. That was awful. Hey! Something bad's about to happen. Hold it. Kill it with fire. Oh no! Yeah, I was gonna pay for that one way or the other. Yeah, that was some awful timing. Come on. Nope. I just want heals, bro. It's just a love tap. Just chill out. It's just a love tap. Ah! What? Please. No, we're doing so good. No! We did it! Okay. We're doing fine. We are still breathing. Okay, we're not doing fine. Excuse me. We have just a little bit of stamina regeneration. Chill out. Nope. Oh, okay. She's angry. I'm no expert, but she looks mad. No. No. We are so close. No. 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 Come on. That's cheating. That's cheating, man. That's fair. That is the most passive-aggressive get good I've ever heard in my life. You know, once you... Oh, that delay! Heal! We're still standing. Come on, back up. Oh wait, I have a gun! Come on, please. No, don't do this to me. We were so close. I have a gun. That was close. This is ballsy, I ain't gonna lie. Come on, we are so close. Don't fumble. Don't fumble the bag, bro.